how you can apply your brand colors to your SharePoint intranet. My name's Dougie Wood, and I am a Microsoft MVP. I've been building out solutions just like this for customers all over the world for the past 20 years. So if you would like some professional help with SharePoint, there's a link in the description below to contact me. Branding your SharePoint site. So once you've got a bit of a homepage together on SharePoint for your SharePoint intranet, it's good to have the kind of content in place first and then look at kind of branding, color themes, that sort of stuff. So a lot of the kind of brand, I suppose, does actually come from like the imagery, the text, which are using things like that, but also the colors. So the colors that you're using. So as you can see at the moment, we've got a mishmash of different kind of colors. Ideally, you would want the kind of colors to be reflected inside of the images that you're using. So I actually think I would quite like to go with more of like orange and black kind of theme for this particular intranet. I say it's construction themed, so there's a lot of kind of hard hats, helmets, things like that, which are using kind of those orange, yellowy kind of colors. So let's jump in and just look at under the cog, we've got the site branding area. So if we select on that, this is going to allow us to create a bit of a color theme. So we're going to say new theme, we're going to add color, and we're actually going to say new color. And we can actually either enter it or we can specify using this kind of color picker what kind of color we want to go with. So I want kind of quite a hot kind of orange color. So something like this, potentially. Whoops, lost my mouse. So something like this, I quite like the look of. So I'm going to add that. And basically we can sort of make a new combination. So we've got this kind of white color that's sort of paired with it, but maybe let's just try black, see what that looks like. I quite like that. You could switch it around so you could have more of an orange theme. But I think this kind of orange and black kind of combo goes really well together. So we'll add that. And maybe let's look at, again, kind of the white and the black, I think goes quite, so the white and the orange goes quite well. So you can kind of look at what that kind of looks like. So this is almost like a light mode that we're kind of using here. So we can play around with this, get the kind of colors to be exactly as we kind of like, then click on next. And I'm going to call this black and orange. Click on save. And then we've got our color theme. So we select that and we're kind of ready to go. So if I then go back to my homepage, I'm then going to apply this theme. So if I click on the cog across the top and then click on change the look, and then I'm going to select theme, and I've got my black and orange here. So I'm going to select on black and orange, click on save. And you can already see it's already started to add those kind of colors. It's starting to work its way through now. Just click on save to publish it. And there we go. So now you can see it's already started to put like little sort of accent colors on things like that. But if I was to say, again, go on, change the look, and then we'll go into the header section, go to design, we can start adding that kind of color that we had on here. So actually, I quite like the kind of the dark black with the kind of the orange colored on top of it. So I think that's what I'm probably going to use for now. The layout, I think, maybe it comes just standard. I mean, compact does look quite good. To be fair, I'm thinking I'll probably add a mega menu on here, so we might come around and change this around a little bit later on anyway. But I think for now, maybe the compact. As a quick reminder, we are available to help you with SharePoint. So if you would like some professional help with SharePoint, there's a link in the description below to contact me. View is perfectly fine. We might want to add a site logo as well. So we probably just need to go and find a logo to upload. And just by clicking on change image, we can access, basically we can upload our own image as a logo. And there we go. Because we've gone with kind of, as like the blueprint as kind of being our kind of name, I've got this like little blueprint icon that I'm going to put on here. But obviously you would use your company logo or whatever it is you wanted to use in that space. Then click on save. Now I need to apply that kind of coloring again, throughout the intranet homepage. So once I've saved the header, I'm going to go on to edit the page and actually apply those colors throughout the design that we've already built inside of our SharePoint intranet. So if I then click on edit, and let's have a little look at how we can apply this to some of the sections. So if I was to edit this section and look at design, we have a little look at what kind of colors. So we've got this kind of orange theme, or we've got the black. I quite like that sort of black on the background, but let's take a little look as we kind of go through what else we could maybe use. Let's go that black on orange. That looks quite good. So we've got that kind of grey kind of colour, and then we've got our kind of areas down here. So I'm thinking actually that probably that's going to look better to have the kind of the black at the very bottom on these kind of sections of our kind of FAQs, like so. And maybe on this section, a little look, project tracker. Something like that, I think. Go with, so maybe let's republish, just take a little look at how that kind of comes together. So it's looking a bit dark, I guess, is my only first thoughts across the top. So maybe we'll change that background piece, but got our toolbox talks. There we go. Cool. So now we've got our colors. As I say, we've then got kind of the buttons, which are showing up with the different kind of colors as well that we have been using as well. And we've got that kind of footer area, so we could add some more links down here if we wanted to. We can see anywhere these kind of links, even like the open files button, has also changed that kind of orange color as well that we applied. So again, it's totally up to you. You can use your brand kind of colors, but I think having something that's nice and contrasting often makes the kind of page stand out just that little bit more. If you enjoyed this video, click the video on screen now, as I think you'll find it really helpful. If you have any questions at all, use the comments feed below, and please do subscribe for more SharePoint content.